I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
My dad always gave all five love languages, honestly. Like, he always spent time with us. He gave us gifts growing up. So yeah, I think best of all worlds. My favorite bonding moments with my dad are just the time we spend together doing something. Whether it's kayaking or just watching TV. But so being together, like, in the same room is really nice. My dad always told me, "Ikon talo." So don't let other people's emotions get in the way of what you're trying to do and what you believe in. Happy Father's Day, Pop. Thanks for always being there for me, and thanks for being someone that I can always look up to. Love you, Pop.
Hi, Dad. Happy Father's Day. I'm just here to tell you that you're the best possible father I could ever have, and thank you so much for being there. I couldn't have got anywhere without you. I love you so much. And I hope you are having the best Father's Day possible. Love you to bits.
Hey Pop, happy Father's Day. Thank you so much for everything that you do for the family, for everything that you do for us, your constant guidance. It's an honor for me to learn from you on a daily basis, and thank you for everything that you do for the country and for standing up for what you believe is right, for being resolute in the face of adversity. And I hope that despite your busy schedule, that you can at least hopefully find some time to rest. I couldn't ask for a better dad, I couldn't ask for a better mentor, and I couldn't ask for anyone better than you to work with. So thank you for imparting your wisdom to me. Thank you for teaching me what is right, and thank you for all the sound advice that you give me, which I really do need from you sometimes. So once again, happy Father's Day. And thank you for being such a great dad, and thank you again for everything that you do for this country. Love you, Pop!
So yun guys, narinig nyo yung wheezes ng kanyang mga anak. Tingnan nyo. Hindi lang magaling na ama sa kanyang mga anak, kundi magaling na ama ng bayan. Nakikita nyo naman yan guys sa ating video. Talaga namang makikitaan nyo kung paano ang isang ama bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas, ama ng lahat. Kaya naman ang lahat ng ang pangangailangan ng mamayang Pilipino ay kanyang talagang tinutugon. Hindi man 100% kasi kulang po ang 6 na taon, no? Kung ako ang tatanungin nyo, pinakamagaling na ama ng Pilipinas, siyempre guys, alam nyo naman po, no? Siyempre number 1, guys, ang kanyang ama na si dating Pangulong Marcos Sr. Pangalawa, itong Pangulong Marcos Jr. May pangatlo pa. Yung pinakahuling nagbigay ng mensahe in the future, of course. Alam niyo si Pangulong Marcos Jr., makikita natin ang napakagaling na ama ng bayan. No, makikita mo sa isang ama yung pasensya niya ba, no? Sa kabila lahat ng mga kritikon niya, sa mga paninira ng mga buzzer niya, kung sa buong pamilya, mga pasaway ng mga anak, makikita nyo, pero nananatiling nagiging kalmado ang Pangulo. The way na magsalita siya, the way na sumagot siya sa mga tinatanong sa kanya, ano bang masasabi mo sa mga kritiko mo. Sa kanya guys, pag once na sumagot yan, with smiling pa ang Pangulo. Ganun dapat. Nakikita siguro naman natin paano siya makikitungo sa buong bansa, paano siya mag-encourage sa mga investor para lang mabigyan ng trabaho yung kanyang mga anak, which is ang mamamayang Pilipino, no? Kaya tingnan nyo naman ang employment rate tumaas, bumaba ang unemployment rate dahil sa kanyang pagpupursigi bilang ama ng bansang ito, mga kababayan. obvious naman po yun. 'Di ba? Obvious na obvious po yun. Kasi si Pangulong Marcos Jr., masasabi ko siguro pinaka-the best na Pangulo sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Kung tutuusin guys, no, makita mo sa kanya, kayang-kaya niya guys pamunuan ang isang pinakamalaking bansa like Amerika, Russia, United Kingdom, Australia. Kayang-kaya niya, no? Grabe, ang galing niya talaga naman kasi. O, di ba yung diskarte niya, yung pamamaraan, lahat, no? At yung mga local farmers nasusolusyonan ang mga problema tulad ng salt industry, nagkaroon na po sila ng paggilingan, rice system pa, paggilingan ng mga bigas, cold storage, ang dami mga kababayan. Sa totoo lang, irrigation, yung mga dam, 'di ba? Ang dami as in general. Kaya ako'y hanga, no, kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. bilang ama ng Pilipinas. So, yun guys, happy Father's Day sa ating mahal na Pangulong Marcos Jr. Wish you all the best, sir. Long live. And stay calm and stay humble, down to earth. Always pray to the Lord. Yun, si God lang ang kakampi mo. Siyempre, nandito po kami sa iyong likuran. Happy Father's Day uli sa ating mahal na Pangulong Marcos Jr. And of course, to all the Father's Day all over the Philippines. Happy Father's Day. God bless Philippines and God bless us all. Bye. And babush. God bless Philippines.